Hey everybody, it's Rhonda. And in this video, I want to talk to you a little bit about Claude. Now, you know, Claude is basically an AI assistant similar to ChatGPT, but it's one I've started using a lot more frequently. Okay. So I thought in this video, I would just walk you through what Claude is, how it's different from what you might already be using and how you can put it to work for your Etsy shop. So, like I said, Claude is an AI assistant, pretty much along the lines of ChatGPT, but it's made by a different company called Anthropic. So, it works in the same way. You just talk to it, it talks back, and it can help you do a ridiculous amount of stuff: writing, brainstorming, editing, planning, answering questions, you name it. So I thought today we would start with the most basic piece of the whole Claude suite. And this is the one you'll probably use every day, the Claude chat. All right. That's the website you go to at Claude AI. And that's that. So, before we really jump into this, I want you to understand that Claude is not a search engine. Okay. You're not Googling things. Think of this more like having a incredibly smart business partner sitting next to you all the time who knows a ton about Etsy, about digital products, about marketing, about writing, and their entire job is just to help you. So, just think about all the things that you do in your business every day that eat up a lot of your time, writing product descriptions, coming up with titles, figuring out what to sell next, writing emails for your subscriber list, thinking up caption ideas, all of that. Claude can help with every single one of those. Okay. So let's jump in and I'll show you how to use it. Okay. So the first thing you need to do is go to Claude.ai and sign in. Okay. When you land on the homepage, you'll see a big text box at the bottom of the screen. That's where you'll type. Let me log out of mine. Okay. All right. So right here, you can sign in. You can just use your Google if that's what you want to do and jump right in. So I'm just going to log in here quick. Now there is a free account and a paid account. All right. So to start out, you'll be just fine using the free one probably, but you may want to upgrade to the pro. You get a little more usage. Your limitations aren't quite as high as they are on the free plan. Okay. So one of the most important things to know is that the more detail you give Claude, the better the answer will be that you get back. So, that's the entire secret to using AI. It's the better the detail you give it, the better the answer it gives back. So if you type in something like write me an Etsy description, you're going to get back a really generic answer. But if you type in something like write me an Etsy product description for a digital PNG clip art set of 12 watercolor sunflowers, and you tell it who the buyer is and what they're going to use it for, now you're going to get a really, really detailed product description. Okay. So at the end of the day, the difference between a bad prompt and a good prompt is details. That's it. So let's do a real quick example. I'm going to show you 3 things that you can do with Claude today. Okay. Even if you have never, ever used AI before at all. So the first thing we're going to do is a product description, and you are going to type into the prompt box right here, write a product description for a digital SVG file bundle of 10 floral mandala designs for laser engraving. My shop has a modern, clean style. The buyer is someone who owns a laser engraver and makes gifts or home decor. Keep it under 150 words, friendly, and mention that it's an instant download. Now we just hit enter and watch what comes back. We're going to see a full description pop up in just a few seconds. And what's great about this is if you don't love it, you can always tell it to make it a little shorter, make it sound warmer. And it'll rewrite it for you, and you can keep going back and forth until it's exactly right. So let's say like this is our description right here. You just found your next favorite go-to bundle. These 10 floral mandala SVGs are clean, detailed, and ready to drop straight into your laser software. No cleanup, no fuss. Perfect for cutting boards, wooden signs, ornament coasters, and all the gorgeous gifts and home decor pieces your customers keep asking for. And then it tells it what you get: 10 unique floral mandala SVG files optimized for laser engraving. Works with Lightburn, Xtool Creative Space, Glowforge, and most major laser software. Instant download. Files land in your inbox the second you check out. No waiting, no shipping, just straight to your projects. So this is a great description. But let's say I want it to be, let's say, make it a little bit more casual, or no, let's say a little more professional. Make it a little bit more professional, and it will change up the wording and make this sound more professional rather than casual like it was before. All right. And so right away it says these 10 floral mandala SVG files are designed with clean lines and intricate detail, exactly what you need for professional quality laser engraving results on wood, acrylic, leather, and more. Ideal for personalized gifts, home decor, and product lines. Each file is optimized for laser software, so you can go from download to project without any extra prep work. So that is a great description there, okay? So just keep that in mind. Give it the prompt, tell it what you want. If you don't get back exactly what you were looking for, tell it. Tell Claude that you want it to sound a little different. Maybe you need it shorter. Maybe you need it longer. It's up to you. So the next thing we're going to do is we are going to tell Claude to give me 5 Etsy title options and 13 tags for a digital download bundle of junk journal pages with a vintage floral theme. Include words that people actually search for. So we're going to send that in. Now, I am going to leave these prompts for you in the description, and you can edit these for your own product types. If you sell tumbler wraps, you could change this prompt to title options for a digital download of tumbler wraps with a spring theme or whatever it is you're doing right now. Just swap out the product for your own. So it gave us 5 title options right here: vintage floral junk journal pages, and then it gave us 13 tags as well. So you can do your research now. You can take these tags and take them into your favorite keyword research tool like Everbee, or Listing View is my personal favorite, or Profit Tree or something like that, and do your research on your keywords and tags. Alrighty, so this one is great because tags are always such a pain, to sit down and come up with the tags you're going to use. And, Claude can give you a whole list pretty quickly that you can start with. All right. So the last prompt we're going to give it today, this is one for product ideas. So this one says, I sell boho and farmhouse style digital clip art on Etsy. What are 10 trending product ideas I could create that would sell well to crafters who make tumblers, t-shirts, and tote bags? So let's send that in. So now, if you are sitting here going, oh, I don't know what to make next, you could give Claude a prompt similar to this, and he will help you brainstorm new product ideas. So right away, he's coming back with, here are 10 trending product ideas that would sell well to your crafter audience right now. So we have wildflower tumbler wrap bundle, full wraparound designs with boho wildflowers and grasses and earthy tones. Tumbler wraps are a huge search category and crafters buy these constantly. That's a good idea. Butterfly clip art collection. It says butterfly motifs are predicted to be a major trend in 2026. And they translate perfectly into sublimation and t-shirt designs. Give them a boho farmhouse twist with muted earthy palettes. And it goes on and gives us 10 different product ideas. So we have the Western floral horse graphics, checkerboard boho patterns, mama, mom, floral t-shirt graphics, mystical botanical elements like moons, botanicals, celestial florals, and then we have retro groovy floral bundles, boho monogram floral frames. And keep in mind, we told Claude that we sell boho and farmhouse style art. So it's going to give us boho and farmhouse style product ideas. If you create boho farmhouse art, it's not going to come back and tell you that you should be creating sarcastic Gen X 90s core type products. Okay. So it is going to take the information you give it and build off of that. All right. So that's how you can use Claude for your digital product business, really, really quickly. Just a couple different things we gave it, and it would have taken a lot of time off of your plate. This is how you use Claude as a research tool. Like I said, it's like having somebody who's already done the brainstorming for you just sit here and help you every step of the way. You take the ideas, pick the ones you like now, and then go make the designs. So basically, what we covered here today is looking at Claude Chat. That's at Claude AI. It's free to start with. You just type in a request, you give it details, and it gives you back something you can actually use. So in this video, we did it to write an Etsy description, get titles and tag ideas, and brainstorm new products. And we barely scratched the surface of what Claude can do. All right. So in the next video, what we are going to do is start talking about Claude for Chrome and the Chrome extension, which basically has Claude working right in your web browser and doing whatever you want it to do on the internet and just being useful. So I'll see you guys in the next video. You won't want to miss it because it's going to be great. I'm going to show you exactly how you can use Claude in Chrome to check on how well your Etsy shop is doing, basically auditing your shop for you. Okay. So thanks so much for watching today. I appreciate it as always. Make sure you take a second to like and subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next video.